for those na wala dito. Okay, so let's have the True Millionaires Prayer by Brother Bo Sanchez. Let's start with our prayer in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world, increase my financial wisdom, and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands. Amen. And let's have our trainer's credo. I know the only way I will become successful is to train and to duplicate new trainers. I know exactly how to win. I win by field training one person at a time, thus, I must remain simple in my presentations and training. I must be consistent and predictable. I have to do it fast so the trainee can see how doable it is. I understand that the future of the new trainee and his family is in my hands. I must do it right and do it with pride. My trainee will be successful because of my commitment, dedication, and belief in the mission of our business. Rather than giving a man a fish, we teach him how to fish. I am proud to be an IMG WSB trainer. Okay, yay! So, sampu na po tayo, ano? All right, so let's discuss about the system, what we do in IMG, our mission and our vision. No? So we always have this system in IMG, and that's the reason we are pretty successful even at the time of the pandemic. Even other people, multimillionaires, billionaires, cannot believe what we are achieving right now in IMG. Kung kailan nag-pandemic, ngayon naging times 10 yung ating production. And I have to say, no, para siyang blessing talaga ni Lord, no, when you do good things, when the purpose of your business is good, the Lord will really bless you, no. So that's what I also see. So this is what IMG have been doing throughout the 24 years that it had been active in the Philippines. Ano, kasi yung ating organization is galing talaga sa US and Canada from WSB. So sila yung ating sister company, and yung system is galing doon, what we follow right now. So this is how it goes, no, from the Chinese proverb pa. If you want 1 year of prosperity daw, grow grain. If you want 10 years of prosperity, grow trees. But if you want 100 years of prosperity, grow people. So that's what I have witnessed na ginagawa talaga ni IMG. So over the years, I've been with IMG for, I think, magpa 5 years pa lang. Next month, magpa 5 years ako. But I've really seen people transform from being broke, from in debt, from desolate na status to hopeless na mga status in life, hanggang sa ngayon very successful and marami ng taong natulungan. One example of that is last Wednesday, no, nag-attend ako ng wedding ni EVC coach Kenneth Corvera and Roxanne Hamarillo, no? So I saw them when I was starting in IMG in 2016. Talagang wala pa parang ano lang, yung parang walang klaro sa buhay mo silang tingnan, pero now they have achieved what they want to achieve, no, like nakapag-ipon sila ng parang yung para sa kasal nila through mutual funds, and in IMG right now they are earning around 300,000 per month, and just a few days ago also they got I think their new house na, and also they are now slowly achieving their dreams na debt-free, na galing sa kanilang ipon at sa income natin sa IMG. So nakakatuwa talaga, talagang naging iba na yung buhay nila at ng kanilang pamilya. Maraming mga ganyang storya dito sa IMG, mga OFWs na nakauwi. Ako mismo, dati akong empleyado na I live paycheck to paycheck, and right now, I don't have that worry anymore because right now I live with my family. I do this with my family, and I don't have to punch in, punch out every 9 in the morning and in the evening, or every after 9 hours no ng work. And we can do this anywhere. We can expand our business kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo, di ba? Kaya marami tayong teammates na kahit nasa Europe, nasa Canada, nasa US, sa Middle East, na so ganyan ang beauty ng system ni IMG. So ayan, no, so ano ba yung mission natin, or ano ba talagang belief natin, ano? So here in IMG, we believe that money is powerful. But what is more powerful is financial education. Money comes and goes. Money is just a tool. Financial education is knowledge and wisdom rolled into one. So that, as you can observe, no, hindi tayo kagaya ng mga ahente na benta lang ng benta. So yung first approach talaga natin, kita nyo, is libro, book study, and membership orientation. Sa membership orientation, ganun din. Book study. Ano? So we always discuss about the basics of personal finance first, the concepts like X curve, rule of 72, compounding interest, high cost of waiting, before we talk about products. Kasi yung tao talaga, kailangan lang muna maintindihan, and kung naiintindihan na nila yung personal finance, alam na nila kung anong kailangan nila. Hindi na kailangan na bentahan sila. And that's why what we do here is DIY. Empowerment lang. So malaman lang nila ano yung solid financial foundation, and they can apply it na by themselves. All right? So our mission is to help create wealth for families, to make a difference for families, so there will be no family left behind. And that's why we have this campaign to achieve 30 million financially literate families by 2030. It's a campaign, and we are yet at 2 million. No? So ano pa tayo? 10%? 10% ba? Hindi pa pala nag 10%. So kukonti pa tayo, no? And this is how vast our mission is, and we feel so little pa right now knowing this, ano? So marami pang mga Pilipino na we see keep making financial mistakes, like getting into scams, getting wrong financial products, and are high spenders, and marami yung mga utang. So this is our campaign, no? Na ang mga tao maging malaya sa utang, mawala ng financial worries. Of course, naandyan lang yan, but when you are financially educated, you'd know what to do. All right? And if you would notice, kung nagtatrabaho tayo ngayon or employed tayo, ano, like a private company, review yung mission ng company nyo. Ano? You check it. Ano ba yung mission ng company nyo? Is it geared towards you becoming wealthy and your family, or being there to sustainably help your family? No? Or is it geared towards the company's goal itself, ano, na magulang talaga yung company, and you're there as an employee. So dito sa IMG, sigurado na kung ano may gagawin mo dito para talaga sa pamilya mo. And kaya talaga binuhos ko na yung aking effort and yung buhay ko dito na sa IMG, no? When I realized how the vision of IMG, when I realized how great what it's doing, so nag-choose talaga ako dati. Hindi na ako makatulog kasi no, employed pa ako. And I couldn't, hindi na ako makatulog. Iniisip ko, ano ba talagang gagawin ko? Kasi hindi ka nagaganahan eh. Alam mo na although maganda yung trabaho mo, but alam mo na there's a greater mission here. And every day my friends are making financial mistakes. My family, no? Marami pa akong kapamilya na may mga utang. So, na-torn talaga ako dati. Even sa business, no, I started din na mag-real estate, but I didn't like it because madalas, no, pinapautang natin yung ating kliyente kasi uutang sila sa bangko para magkaroon ng bahay. So, I didn't like it. So, dito sa IMG talaga, whatever it is that we offer is for them to grow and for them to acquire assets. So, hindi utang. So, yun yung gustong-gusto ko sa IMG. Whatever it is na kinukuha nila, talagang geared towards their own growth and wealth. No? So, yung krusada natin is to deliver the world's financial wake-up call. IMG is about changing people from spenders to savers, from savers to investors, and from investors to entrepreneurs. So ganito din mismo yung nangyari sa akin. Sabi ko kanina, dati paycheck to paycheck ako, and then naging saver. Although may saving ako dati, but ano lang talaga, parang magsisave ka kasi may project ka, may gusto kang bilhin. Hindi talaga siya pang long term, ano? And nakakuha na ako ng financial product then before IMG, but it was wrong, a wrong kind of financial product in a sense na it's underinsured ako, and at the same time it's very expensive. No, kasi nga yun, hindi tayo educated. And then from saver to investor, so nag-diversify na tayo ng investments kasi sa IMG, di ba, may mga mutual funds. And then from investors to investor to entrepreneur. So as we follow the solid financial foundation, i-share natin, ibinabahagi natin sa iba, dyan tayo nagiging entrepreneur. Alright, so sige, let's proceed na. So, kokonti pa tayo. And I'm so glad that you're here right now, meaning you'd really like to contribute to this number, right? You'd really like to help our fellow kababayans din na maging maganda ang pang-financial na buhay. Kadalasan ng problema ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino is yung problema talaga sa pera, ano. Although of course money is not everything, but it affects every decisions that we have in life, ano, pagpapaaral, bahay, yung future natin. So marami, every day we make financial decisions. Yung pag ano pa lang, kung kakain tayo, kung magpapa-deliver o magluluto, saan tayo makakatipid? Kung aalis tayo ng bahay, kung magko-commute, kung maglalakad, di ba? It's a financial decision. So every day is a financial decision. Every moment, ano? Kung tatambay tayo, walang income. Kung may gagawin tayo, may income, di ba? May planting pa nga sabi. So yung ating business is maganda kasi online lang siya, online financial education, and that's why we are, you see the business right now. It has a very lucrative na outcome ngayong pandemic because we are doing this online. I remember in 2016, my first saver is even done online through e-app kasi yung first saver ko is in Singapore. So I processed it online through our e-app. So even in 2016, existing na po siya, ready na po siya kahit may pandemic pa man. Alright? And then, financial broker business opportunity. Kasi here, of course, we can represent the many companies that IMG has partnered with. Hindi rin bibirong mga kumpanya, no? So we'll discuss them more later. Okay, so ayan, so ang galing, no? So you might be here because you membered or you enrolled as member, as a basic member, or itong basic membership natin, or yung associate membership natin. Right? So yung basic is yung 6,000 with Fidelity. So nag-join po tayo. And then meron pong 100,000 na accident insurance by Manila Bankers, 50,000 na memorial benefit with Fidelity, and saka yung mutual fund. I guess ito talaga yung kadalasan na rason kung bakit nagpapa-member, no? Kasi dito sa mutual fund, which is automatic na merong 1,000 shares. I mean, 1,000 value ng shares na pwedeng mabili. Alright? And I don't know, but yan kadalasan yung rason ngayon, especially because it's pandemic and the prices of shares is very low. But of course, marami pa, di ba? We have 48 benefits right now after the convention noong 2 weeks ago, in-announce siya. And of course, the financial education or yung classes natin. Para sa akin, ito talaga yung pinaka-importante. The first important is yung financial education. And yung iba, from being a basic member, no, naging associate or minsan sabay, ano, para isang processing na member na agad, with associate member na agad, and makapag-do agad sa career. Kung may ma-refer sila or yung husband or yung family members magsa-start ng Kaiser nila or mag-mutual funds din or ano pa. So DIY na, no? So through her na. So makakabuo na din siya ng team niya with her family. So anong ginawa natin sa basic membership? So yung nadagdag is yung ating Kaiser. Right? So meron na po tayong Kaiser Long-Term Care with K100 plan, which is, yan po yung kadalasang kinukuha. But of course, yung naandito, depende, di ba? So you could have gotten the lower plan or higher plan than K100. In which way, congrats ba din kasi you started. Okay, yung maganda lang sa K100 is you get to have at least 1 million na retirement fund by the time na mag-mature yung ating policy. Alright? So maraming mga nadagdag na mga benefits. Okay? So, we membered because of these different benefits, no? Financial education, savings and investments, and yung iba talaga is for extra income. Eventually, ito minsan yung gusto natin lang, and then we realize na maganda din pala yung business opportunity ni IMG. Ano? So we are already in the financial industry. The financial industry is a multi-trillion business na industry. Ano? So saan ka pa pupunta? Alright, so we're not selling here mga material stuff, mga liability na nawawala lang over time. This is asset talaga that grows over time, that can save us over time, especially during retirement, healthcare na mga problema, di ba? So yan yung beauty ng ating business. Okay, so for financial education, so what we do initially is we take the workshops, right? So we have the IMG Financial e-workshops in our portal. As you can see here, I got a little tour kung paano pumunta doon. So we go to to our resources and then webinars. And then once nasa webinar na, click natin yung ating financial e-workshop. So dito i-discuss yung basics on personal finance like increasing cash flow, how to become debt free, how to protect our assets. So yung kagandahan dito is yung nagturo mismo is ang president natin at ang mga owners ng IMG, no? Yung ating mga leaders. Kasi dati, when I took this one sa financial center dito sa Cebu, and yung nagde-discuss is yung mga green jacket trainers. Alright? And I remember talaga ito yung goal ko when we run for the green jacket talaga. Siguro familiar na kayo sa Green Jacket promotion, or if hindi pa man, malalaman nyo din po ito as we go along sa business. Ano? So, ito talagang nirun namin kasi gusto namin na makapag-financial center kami, or at least makapag-discuss na ng workshop po sa aming probinsya sa Samar. And when pandemic happened, so syempre closed yung mga financial centers. So what did IMG do? Ginawa talaga siyang online, and right now available na po siya sa portal. So yun po talaga yung beauty, and this is the first thing that you should do. No, you're a new member right now, take this. And of course, along with it is the wealth creation system. The best thing here is makakapag self-pace po kayo. Hindi naman kailangan na isang upuan lang siya. But of course, minsan ako, isang upuan lang talaga kasi ano, nabibitin ka kung ititigil mo. And every after module kasi, may certificate siya. So natutuwa ka, may certificate na naman ako. Especially yung mga nasa DepEd, gusto-gusto nila yung may certificate. So nakakatuwa. So first thing that you should do is to do this. So you can do this today, tomorrow, para siguro may mga cloudy parts pa, or may mga questions kayo in your head right now na would just be answered here. Okay? And we also have YouTube na mga videos. Subscribe po tayo sa ating YouTube channel, sa ating team dito sa IMG under the leadership of Jess Falier, no, and Sir John Shu. Yung name po is Prosper Pinoy. So subscribe lang po tayo, and marami po tayong mga training videos dito in terms of doing the business and personal finance. Okay? So kung hindi nyo pa yan ginagawa, you can do it now, right? And these are our partner companies. This is the reason why we want to invest, no? Gusto natin kumuha ng Kaiser, magkuha ng Soldivo, mag-invest sa Soldivo, mag-invest sa Sun Life, kumuha ng Non-Life. So yung maganda ngayon is it's a new world na of possibilities, and hindi na kailangan na dadaan pa sa ahente. Minsan kasi kung dadaan ka pa sa ahente, hahanapin mo pa yung ahente. Unlike kung direct ka na mismo sa mga partner companies natin. So wala nang mga problemang mga ganyan. And of course, yung pinaka-importante is we save on cost. Alright? Kasi wala nang middleman. Right? So, ayan. And of course, because we want to grow our wealth here. Alright? And of course, ito pala, no? Yung maganda ngayon, may dashboard na tayo. Pero hindi pa to updated kasi luma na, hindi ko pa na-update. Pero ngayon, meron na po yung ating auto program, yung Nura Cash, at yung iba pa pong nadagdag after the convention 2 weeks ago. So kung makikita nyo, andito po yung ating Soldivo. So anytime you can add until you reach your savings goal. So say dito gusto mo ilagay yung pang-retirement mo or dream travel mo. Kasi yung Soldivo dito is dalawa lang yan yung strategic tsaka bond. Tapos marami pa tayong iba like Atram, Filiquity. Yung maganda lang sa IMG, pinadali niya talaga yung mutual fund investing right now through Soldivo. Hindi na yung 13 pages na paper na form na mag-fill up kagaya ng ginawa namin dati, no, when we opened our first Filiquity, Soldivo na account. So ngayon, ito na siya. Paper na lang, magpa-member ka, automatic na, pipirma ka na lang, pipili ka kung sa strategic or sa bond. Kung mag-a-add ka, pwedeng online din, mag-bank transfer ka or mag-bank deposit and upload mo lang yung copy ng pay. So yan po yung maganda ngayon. Very easy na po mag-invest. And those who have started like on the onset of pandemic, talagang nakita nila na, talagang totoo, no? It's slowly growing, no? Of course, hindi yan permanenteng ganyan kasi ganyan naman yung market natin, parang heartbeat, no? What's important is you are starting to invest right now and doing peso cost averaging. So congrats po sa lahat, na nag-invest na po and doing it regularly. And ang makikita po natin dito then is yung ating Kaiser. So kung member ka and may Kaiser na po tayo, so makikita natin yung link sa ating Kaiser dito. So this is the 7 years to save with burial or memorial benefit kung member po tayo ng IMG, death benefit, retirement benefit, and of course, yung healthcare benefit natin. Okay? So, ito yung ating Kaiser sa mga wala pa pong Kaiser dito, ano? So, ano ba to? Right? So, very basic lang. It's long-term care. So, this is something that you save for 7 years lang. And then lifetime na po yung ating coverage. May maturity po siya na 20th year where you can opt to, get your money lump sum, or you just leave it there and then covered pa din tayo ng healthcare and what have you, ano. But if you follow the guidance of IMG, by this time baka marami na po tayong naipon talaga and we won't need this. I mean, would need this for healthcare need, but for other purposes like retirement, you would get it from your mutual funds, all right? So, or 'di ba kasi yung income natin sa IMG is pretty good as you stay in IMG, 'di ba, lumalaki. So baka ng time na yan, malaking-malaki na din po yung income natin. Hindi mo na ito kailangan. All right? And we get certificate of full payment after you finish in 7 years, and the Kaiser Visa card where they put the money kung kailangan po natin for medical reasons. Okay? So na-discuss po natin ito sa ating Kaiser class. Review lang po natin kung hindi pa po na-watch. So may mutual fund po siya, yung kagandahan niya, no? So, automatic investors po tayo dito kasi dito naman po nakalagay yung partially yung pera natin, ano? So, it's growing, no? So, investor tayo ng BDO, GMA, Jollibee, at marami pa pong iba, no? So, hindi lang tayo mere consumers ng mga malalaking kampanya ito, bagkus shareholders din po tayo. And it has life insurance, so it protects against sudden loss of life. So, kung may mangyari sa atin, kung kunin tayo ni Lord, may maiiwan po sa pamilya natin. Okay? And lifetime healthcare, HMO. If we live too long, so meron tayong pang HMO. When, if we live long kasi, di ba, dyan din lalabas yung mga sakit, and minsan mamahalin na. So, if you would notice the retirees right now, yun talaga yung common na problema na nauubos yung ating retirement money, nauubos yung pension, minsan kulang pa dahil lang sa maintenance. So, ito yung sinusolve na problema ng Kaiser. Kaya talaga, very revolutionary talaga yung Kaiser. And it's so nice kasi wala po siyang, in terms of, di ba kanina, pinag-usapan natin yung business side, wala siyang kompetensya kasi it's the only long-term care in the Philippines. And ang galing lang po talaga ng mga nakaisip nito na behind Kaiser and IMG. And of course, the burial and repatriation covers extra cost, upgrade of chapel, catering, funeral cost, kasi hindi naman sapat yung St. Peter lang where, like for example, bigyan tayo ng 50,000, and meron pa tayong hihintayin ng mga kamag-anak na dadating from abroad para lumamay. So, di ba, minsan kulang yan. So, kung member po tayo ng IMG, automatic, kasi may partnership tayo with Everest, and Fidelity, so may extra pa na 50,000. Okay? So, ayan. So, 4-in-1, and I have to say parang all-in-one na nga siya, di ba? So, pakita ko lang po yung difference ng saving early, So, as you can see here, if you're 20 years old and you saved for K100, say for example, at the time na mag-65 ka, see, you save only for 7 years, right? 7 years of for example, annual, it's 58,000. This is for K100 pa. We have your lower and higher. So by the time na mag-65 si 20 years old, meron na po siyang 12,635 pesos. But kung 30 years old na po siya mag-start, yung K100 niya, ano yung nangyari? Minus 8 million, no? The high cost of waiting, kasi nga yung pera natin nagko-compound kasi invested. So imagine niyo after 10 years, kung procrastinate ka ng procrastinate, saka na lang ako magsa-start, ano na lang matatanggap mo? 4 million, no? And 40 years old ka mag-start, magkano na lang? 1.8 by age 65, and by 50, by 75, 1.8, no? So, yan po yung kahalagahan. Hindi talaga siya masasabi natin na it's about the money, the amount of money. It's about the time talaga when we start. Kasi time itself, not saving itself is a loss of money. No, yung hindi natin pag-action, pagte-take action ng mag-save, kasi compounding interest is already working, no? Kung natabi mo siya and nag-compound na siya, so nag-grow na sana siya. So yun din yung parang nakaparealize sa akin dati, nako, hindi pala talagang mamaya na, saka na, kahit konti lang yung meron tayo ngayon, disiplinahin lang natin yung sarili natin, basta makapag-ipon na po and makastart, kasi dyan, yan naman talaga yung pinaka-importante lang, no? And then makreate na natin yung habit. And pinaka-importante that, yun nga, we belong to the community, para yung influence natin is yun talaga, saving and investing lang. So hindi pwedeng doon lang tayo palagi sumasama sa mga kaibigan natin na gastador, na spending lang palagi or gala lang palagi iniisip. So you should have a community, a circle of friends talaga na who's into saving and investing. So you become one of them also. You become one of us also, right? So we also have other programs in Kaiser like Family Care. Short term, ito siya yung may card po kagaya ng IntelliCare, MaxiCare, Medicard. But if unused or non-utilization of the card itself doesn't mean that it would be returned back to you the money, no? So unlike sa long-term care, same with group healthcare sa mga companies, and yung senior care din po natin, nire-renew siya every year. Kaya we focus on the long-term care kasi ito naiipon. Right? So iba talaga yung feature niya. Kakaiba po talaga siya, right? And yung ambassadress po natin is si Miss Sharon Coneta mismo. Okay? So siya mismo may experience din siya na yung mom niya, she got hospitalized a few years ago and eventually died. And na-bankrupt talaga siya, no? Kasi kulang yung cash niya pambayad sa hospital. Double digit yung bill nila sa hospital. Double digit million. But biruin mo, si Sharon naubusan pa din. So si Casey pa yung nagsagip sa kanya, no, sa bill. So yun yung realization niya na dapat kung siya na later on yung magkasakit, ayaw niya yung ganon. So she took action herself and she got her own Kaiser Long-Term Care, and siya po yung ating ambassadress. Diba? Ang galing-galing.
By tradition, the Filipinos maintain strong family ties. But it's this same tradition that prompted more than 50% of Filipino senior citizens to rely solely on their children and relatives for support in their old age. You can follow the same path, or you can choose to proceed in another way, a better way, the Kaiser Way. And what is the Kaiser Way? Financial independence, especially in your retirement years, when you'll really need medical attention and support. Other HMOs serve group and individual accounts. Kaiser International Health Group focuses on your long-term health needs. How? Kaiser uniquely provides for a second layer of HMO coverage, which gives members the option to utilize it or not. You can use it if you have to, but if you stay healthy, Kaiser International Health Group will reward you with the financial independence you deserve in your senior years. Simple, worry-free, effective. Why? Because Kaiser cares. Kaiser International Health Group, the first name in healthcare.
Yan, ang galing. And let's watch
Kahit ano man ang estado
Sharon's
natin
take
sa
on
buhay,
this.
we keep working. But we keep forgetting. We seem to forget that health is the real wealth. Kasi you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Ang mas nangangailangan yung mga lalong nahihirapan. Kung kaya naman nilang maghulog ng paunti-unti, basta meron kanya, may protection ka. Kasi baka yung kinikita mo hindi sapat sa pambili ng gamot. Marami nakakasakit, mga anak, di ba, o ikaw mismo. Lalo kung ikaw yung breadwinner, nagtatrabaho ka para sa pamilya mo, tapos bigla ka nagkasakit, paano na yung pamilya mo? At kahit nga anong estado, it's one thing off your list, ang aalalahanin. Kahit ako, di ba? So, that's why it's important to have it. Kasama ko ang Kaiser, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. May Kaiser Health Card ka na ba? Sharon Coneta po, para sa Kaiser.
Yun, ang galing. Kaya hindi po ako nahihiyang i-share po itong Kaiser natin kasi very huge help po talaga sa kanya. Well, yung ibang tao, hindi pa nagsistart, nagpo-procrastinate, ang daming questions. Ang dami na pong mga members ng Kaiser na nag-mature na po yung plan nila, naka-claim na po. And so, yun, procrastination will get us nowhere. So if you have friends right now na hindi pa nakakapag-umpisa, it's okay, no? Sabi pa nga ni Sir Noel, don't be afraid to inconvenience people for their own good. So kulitin mo lang, mag-start ka na, kung member ka na. Kasi later on, sila lang din yung magpapasalamat sa inyo, kung bakit po nakapag-umpisa sila. Yan din po yung one of my greatest joy right now, kung may nagtatawag sa akin na member na, Hair, na pala, pang 4th year ko na ngayon, biro mo, 3 years na lang, matatapos ko na yung Kaiser. O yung iba, Hair, natapos na ako focus na ako ngayon sa mutual fund, at tatapusin ko na lang yung Kaiser. So, yan yung nagagawa talaga ni IMG, na hindi ko akalain before na ganyan talaga yung epekto, ano, kasi sabi ko nga yung focus ko lang dati is for myself and for my family, medyo selfish reasons pa, no? So nakakatuwa lang talaga ngayon na ganito yung mga result na, no? So yan, so that jump starts our extra income and business opportunity na discussion dito sa IMG, ano, kasi every time we have a referral ng Kaiser, ano, kasi marami, may MB Life pa, but the MB Life, the life insurance, you would have to have a separate license for that. You would have to take the licensing. So I'm right now licensed, but if you want to get a licensing for that also, you can. But right now, if you're a new member, focus on this one first, kasi if you review again the Solid Financial Foundation, ito na talaga yung magsusolve doon, ano, sa ating pinaka-basic. And then supplemental lang tayo with MB Life, and the rest, no, magfa-follow na lang siya. So you earn referral income for every personal associate member you help sign up, ano. So for every time na meron kang ma-refer na mag-start ng Kaiser, so automatic meron na po tayong as an associate, meaning you're a member and a Kaiser holder, meron na po tayong 20% na income. So i-discuss po natin yan maya-maya, no. So ito siya, no. So first 3 membership milestones natin sa business, ano. So right now, if you have a Kaiser already, aside from being a member, so you're an associate, right? So na-discuss po siguro ito ng sponsor nyo or sa one of our classes, ano. So meaning joiner and saver po tayo. Meaning nag-join po tayo with 12,382 na payment or lower nito or higher depende po sa plan na kinuha natin sa IMG. Yung iba kasi sa semi-annual or quarterly or annualized. So of course, annualized na fee yung binayaran nila or premium, alright? And yung pangalawang step po, ano, in earning, ano, in the milestone dito sa IMG is yung marketing director. That means 5 associates po, meaning 5 na magpa-member and 5 na saver, mga pamilya mo or kaibigan mo, na pasali mo sila dito sa IMG kasi para din naman sa kanila dito, di ba? So damay-damay kung ikaw nag-iipon, dapat sila din, kasi later on, if hindi mo pa sila mapasali, no, sasabihan yan kayo na, bakit ngayon mo lang ako sinabihan? By experience po, no? Meron na talagang sabi ko, ba't ngayon wala ako sinabihan nito, Hera? Kasi, di ba, dati kasi nahihiya ka pa, or medyo dati, hindi ka pa nila pinapansin kasi wala ka pang na-achieve sa IMG, ano? But right now, sila na mismo yung lalapit sa'yo. So, ayun, ano? So, dapat sila din matutong mag-ipon ng sakto para, kung kasi wala silang ipon din later on, they would reach out to you and uutang din lang yan. And utang is not a good way to help, di ba? Kasi it just enables them to, have more debt, to be negative in their portfolio or their, their, ano tawag ito, yung net worth nila. So, ayan, ano. So, in-encircle ko talaga dito, ano, kasi yung marketing director na promotion ngayon, pamasko po ni ING is around 30% siya, kasi instead of 5 na associates, 3 na associates lang po. So for example, you're a married person right now, isali mo yung asawa mo, kung yung mga anak mo above 18 or, di ba, if above 10, you can get Kaiser for them, or yung sister mo or yung closest mo na kaibigan, para maging marketing director po tayo. I'll discuss later the percentages on the income nito, ano. And we're pushing right now also, kung na-notice nyo, ano, sa ating mga meeting, yung senior marketing director. This is also my contract right now, and this is the highest contract. So ito, we help 30 associates become part of IMG. And then you become a coach. But right now, 15% discount po siya. Right? So, talagang, for me, this is really a huge blessing. Alam mo, dati, to become a senior marketing director, yung coaches po natin, like sila Sir Jess, Sir John, they would have to have 50 associates. And at my time, 30 associates, no? Pero nakaabot din po ako ng promo noon. So, blessing talaga. And hindi ko siya pinakawalan. Nagpa-promote po talaga ako to senior marketing director. Dito kasi, hindi kailangan yung palakasan na ikaw yung magpapalakas ka sa amo mo or sa boss mo, ano. Dito, sarili mong effort lang. Ikaw yung magpo-promote sa sarili mo. Yung pamilya mo mismo, di ba? Or ikaw mismo. Depende po yan sa will natin sa buhay, ano? But instead of 30, 15 lang po. Okay? And the deadline for this is the end of December. So, let's take advantage of this. So, in my case dati, talagang I grabbed the opportunity. Tapos, yung maganda dati, kasi hindi lang po ako yung na-promote, pati po yung aking member, no? Talagang ano ko siya, talagang hinila ko siya, mag-SMD din tayo kasi pwede po, sabay po kayong ma-promote. Kahit yung mga bago mong member, for example, meron ka pang magpapa-member ngayon, sabihan mo, may senior marketing director na promotion ngayon, na 15-15 lang. So, pwede mo siyang sabihan and she can also achieve this, no? So, yung kailangan lang talaga, it's gonna be a very busy December, no? So, align yourself by attending the meetings kasi doon din na-discuss, hindi kasi ito madaling business, di ba? Mahirap pong magpa-save ng tao. Especially if iba pa po yung pagkakilala nila sa atin, So, mabibigla sila, ba't mo ko pa save yan bigla, Pero, yun, align yourself to the meetings, the trainings. Every day we have meetings and trainings. So, pag sinabihan ka ng sponsor mo nga, attend tayo, attend agad. Kasi para yan sa'yo. Hindi yan para sa trainer mo. More of para talaga yan sa'yo. Okay? So, for those who are aiming for the senior marketing director already, dream high, kung associate pa man, go ahead. Wala pong pipigil sa atin. Pwede pong from associate, diretso po to senior marketing director. Okay? So, two major types of income incentive is personal and team income. So personal contract mo, may personal na income, and team income din po. Kasi once you become a marketing director and the senior marketing director, it's like a managerial na position na po. So malaki na yung income and you get to have overrides kung may income yung team mo, di ba? So yun, ako SMD na ako, so hindi naman maganda na ako lang palagi, di ba? So kaya gusto ko, yung system talaga ni IMG, no? Pwede na lahat, lateral siya, pwede maging SMD. So walang pipigil sa'yo na dyan ka lang as an associate, no? So pwede tayong maging SMD lahat, pwede tayong maging green jacket lahat, and talagang ready na naman yan, yung atin na lang is yung pag-commit nito, So ayun, and then let's discuss kung anong gagawin natin, So ngayon, as an associate member, ito yung binayad natin. Kadalasan, if you're a K100 plan holder, so sample po ng computation, if you have one referral, you get to have 1,176 per month na income for one referral pa yan. Pero remember na yung one referral natin, every month po siya nagsisave. Sa first year kasi, may income tayo na 20%. That's 20%. If may kasama po kayong trainer na nag-discuss, of course, ano po kayo, hati po kayo, tawag doon is match up. Pero yung point po is, of course, sa inyo kasi kayo po yung sponsor. Okay? So, for example, ako dati, kasi hindi pa ako marunong mag-discuss, talagang nagpapamatch up ako sa trainer ko, or yung maganda ngayon kasi may mga classes na. Sinasalang ko sa classes yung yung mga prospects ko. So attend ka ng classes, send ako ng schedule ng classes para maka-attend sila. Hindi kailangan na ikaw mismo yung mag-discuss. Although of course we can try and we can keep attending the classes para masanay din tayo and malaman natin kung paano ginagawa ng iba't ibang trainers yung pag-discuss, which is very, I have to say, madali lang talaga, kasi very basic lang naman yung mga tinuturo natin. Sabi pa nga ng coach natin, yung personal finance is common sense lang talaga. It's just that we have been conditioned lang talaga na normalize yung utang and everything else, kaya naging hindi na siya common sense. So kailangan pang i-tweak ng konti or malaki yung mindsetting ng mga Pilipino para mag-gear towards saving and investing na din po. So, yan, if you have 5 referrals, that's already 5,882 per month, and that makes you a marketing director. But again, 3 referrals lang yung required ngayon. So if you're earning 5,882, you won't have to worry na about your monthly sa Kaiser kasi that could supplement na your monthly ng iyong K100 plan, di ba? So I started this way. Yung income ko dati, pwede na pala ito sa aking Kaiser, hanggang sa lumampas na po siya, nakakapag-invest na ako more sa aking mutual funds, hanggang sa na-let go ko na po yung aking job, and ngayon po yung aking ding mister, nakapag-let go na din po ng job niya. So we're full-time parents and full-time financial educators ngayon sa IMG. So it can be done talaga. It happened to us, it can happen to you, it happened to many people. Kahit security guard last week, security guard siya sa Macau, naging CEO siya sa IMG. So walang pili po talaga si IMG, depende po yan kung gaano po kalaki yung heart natin to help other people and to really achieve our dreams for us and our families. 10 referrals, 16,000, 20 referrals, 38, 30 referral, that's already 60,000. And come to think of it, if this is just extra for you because you have your current job, what can this do for you, diba? If you have debts, you can pay off your debts. If you have no savings yet or emergency fund, this could start building your emergency fund, right? So lahat naman tayo siguro gusto ng extra income, 'di ba? Wala naman sigurong aayaw, 'di ba? And this is something extra income na you have really helped someone kasi 'di ba nagre-recommend nga tayo na bili ka dun kasi maganda yun, and that's just a liability lang pala na bibilhin niya, 'di ba? Material stuff that, 'di ba? Ito siya that protects their family, that increases their wealth, that increases their assets. So saan ka pa, 'di ba? Nakatulong ka, and there's a little reward for you as a commission. But what's important is siya mismo yung magiging milyonaryo, siya yung natulungan mo mismo, sila yung magiging mayaman mismo because of the decision that they made. Okay, so don't be afraid, don't be scared, wag mahihiya kasi napakaganda po ng ating sinishare. Medyo ano lang po talaga, awkward sa marami kasi bago po, 'di ba? Bago yung pag-convince ng iba na mag-save, but that's why we have the community to help us, no? To strengthen our belief, to equip us better. And so yan, ano, so right now we have this senior marketing promotion. So papakita ko lang dito ano po yung magandang strategy, medyo mabilis lang po ano para madali pong ma-achieve yung ating senior marketing director na promotion. So ito din po yung ginawa kasi ng ibang teams, and I realized na oo nga pala, no, ganito lang pala. So right now we are December 6, right? So if you want to become SMD or na hindi pa po tayo MD, so just focus on promoting yourself to marketing director, right? So sorry, my party line from Taiwan, si Love from Taiwan, baka nahirapan sa signal. Hi Love. So yan, ano, so December 6, focus on having or promoting yourself to marketing director. Yung iba naman naging marketing director na, so what they're doing right now is helping their team na maging marketing director. So focus ka on becoming marketing director, 3-3, and your 3-3 also na members, so 3 members, no, mag-help din po sila ng 3 persons. That totals to how many already? 9 already, and you have your own 3-3. So ito yung deadline natin, December 15, for the promo run for 3-3 ng MD. So kung tapos na po ito, nakapag 9 ka na, yung 3-3 na natulungan mo plus yung iyong 3-3 is already 12, 'di ba? So anong gagawin na lang? Kulang ka na lang ng 3. So baka yung ibang members mo, aside from 3-3, gusto din nilang mag 5-5 kasi gusto nilang magka-jacket ng trainer jacket, 'di ba? Sa Trainer Academy, or pwede na also, or ang iba meron ding ibang ni-refer or pina-join. So maganda, 'di ba? So it's easy to achieve 15-15. Yung ating SMD promotion kasi hindi naman siya kailangang personal. Lahat po. So pwede tawag nito kahit members ng members mo. So it's a team effort talaga. Okay, so just focus on, I have to say, focus ka lang talaga sa mission. We have a mission of 30 million. If you're naiisip mo kung gaano pa siya kalaki and gaano pa lang yung nako-contribute mo, dun ka, nga pala, no, ba't ba ako nagfo-focus ng 50 lang siya sharean, ang dami pa palang tutulungan. So when I first had my own share list dati, I really wrote down 100 people, ano, and so far parang lahat naman ata naging members na yung nasulat ko, ano. Mayroong konti siguro hindi pa. Meron pang iba, no? Pero malapit na din silang sumali. So I really wrote down even people na I'm very intimidated before, yung landlord ko dati, yung mga kaklase ko sa school na tingin ko mga bright, and right now they are successful professionally, like lawyers, doctors. But you know what? They also do not know this, no? They have their own share of financial mistakes there kasi nga hindi tinuturo, 'di ba? So right now they are members also, mutual fund investors, Kaiser holders. So baka natatakot tayo na alam na nila yan. So kadalasan hindi po nila alam yan. Si IMG lang po kasi nagtuturo ng compounding interest, no? Even yung ahente sa mga company hindi masyadong nagtuturo nito ng X-curve, ng rule of 72. Alright, so wag po tayong matatakot, okay? Kasi marami pa po tayong tutulungan. A few weeks ago, I have sa mga, siguro yung iba alam na, no, may, kasi na-share ko sa ating meeting, no, so may multi-millionaire, as in mayaman na po siya, marami po siyang businesses. Yung gusto lang po niya is malaman yung about sa mutual funds kasi lahat po ng pera niya sa bangko lang. And imagine that, kung sa bangko lang less than 1% yung tubo. So tinuruan po namin siya about mutual funds, and right now he's investing in mutual funds. And kumuha po siya ng Kaiser spot cash for himself and his wife. Tapos sabi ko pa sa kanya, what if gawin din po nyo yung mission ng IMG? Tapos sabi niya, ay, hindi ko na kailangan ng income. Nagpo-focus siya sa income kasi marami naman siyang pera. Sabi ko sa kanya, oh, what about sir, yung iba mo, like yung driver mo, yung katulong mo, yung helper mo sa bahay, di ba? Maganda naman, like Brother Bo Sanchez, yung katulong niya mismo, naging multimillionaire. Parang na-challenge siya doon. So talagang ginawa din niya ngayon nga, meron na siyang 8 members and 8 savers, and tinulungan niya yung mga mayaman niyang kakilala. Meron ding mga empleyado niya dati, yung ngayon nasa Ace Hardware. So nag-start din agad. So nakaka-inspire po talaga siya. Tapos when I tell him pa na, nako sir, na-inspire po talaga ako sa inyo kasi nga hindi ko nakala na gagawin niya yun. Tapos yung reply lang niya sa akin is, gusto ko lang talagang tumulong. 'Di ba? When your focus is to really help other people, talagang yung numbers nagfo-follow na lang. Minsan nga hindi mo na namamalayan, uy, lampas na pala ako sa target kong SMD, naging 17-17 na pala ako. Tapos may team pa ako na gustong maging SMD. Kasi focus ka lang sa numbers, na yan lang yung tutulungan mo para ma-achieve yung promotion, parang wala, mawawala ka sa mawawala ka sa system. Pero if you focus on helping people, talagang dadami na lang siya. Dadami lang siya ng dadami. So, very inspiring po yung recent encounter ko talaga na ito. And na-realize ko nga, that's the reason pala, no, the wealth gets richer, the rich gets richer because mas masipag po talaga sila. Imagine, marami silang businesses na, may mga anak pa siya, pero on the side, every day, he does this. Samantalang tayo, kadalasan sa ating, sa ating community, no, yung ating, group of people, more focused on entertainment. After work, nanood ng Netflix, ng Korean novela. Marami tayong time for entertainment, not much on learning and in doing like whatever it is that can improve our lives. So, yun lang, na-inspire lang po talaga ako dito. And sana, ma-realize natin na talagang hindi lang pati yung mga naghihirap yung ating matutulungan, pati din pala yung mayayaman, kailangan din pala nila ng turong para maprotektahan po yung assets nila, and sila din po gusto ding tumulong. They find more happiness na matulungan din yung ibang tao na maging mayaman din. Right? So, yun. And ang dami ko nang sinabi, but yun yung strategy. And then, what if IMG can help you, sabi dito, can help you build your wealth. So, sa ating systems, IMG, sa portal natin, meron tayong tinatawag na reports, yung tab doon. And then, sa drop-down po doon, makikita natin yung ating team, yung ating production, and yung commission statement. So, transparent naman doon, pati yung tax, nakikita natin, 10% tax natin sa government. So, for example lang, you have an income of 50,000 monthly and you have acquired the discipline of being an IMG member, of saving, a part of it in your Kaiser long-term care. So that's 582, around 6,000 monthly. And then, lagay mo yung 4,000 na extra sa yung mutual fund. So ano yung extra na meron ka? 4,000 monthly. What do you do with that? If you're earning already 100,000, 6,000 sa Kaiser mo, mutual funds 4,000. So 90,000 extra. Ano gagawin mo dyan? 200,000. 190,000 extra. Ano magagawa mo? And that's the reason why yung mga senior marketing directors, yung mga executives dito sa IMG, mas maraming natutulungan, aside from this, of course, kasi tinuturo natin yung abundance formula. So may natutulungan talaga tayo na churches, na mga charities, na mga missionaries, kasi sabi pa nga ni Brother Bo, the purpose of wealth is to help others. So mas marami na tayong natutulungan. If you really want to help people, why not do this? Have more income and help more people. Kasi ito din po yung nagagawa ko ngayon. Mas magaan na po na tumulong kasi extra na po siya sa inyo. 'Di ba? Dati kasi, 'di ba? Nung sinsilyo lang sa church yung binibigay natin. Ngayon, marami na. 'Di ba? Kasi malaki na din po yung income. Yan din po yung hindi ko kasi na-apply dati yung tithing. Wala po ako niyan. Although I help yung paminsan-minsan, pero hindi po kagaya ng tinuro ng IMG na 10% of your income, ilagay mo talaga, ibigay mo sa tithing, sa church, sa parish, or sa charity na gusto mong tulungan. So, the more that we give, the more din na blessings talaga yung dumadating. So, super amazing din lang. So, keep learning lang po. Join lang po ng trainings and classes kasi marami pa po tayong matutulungan. Alright? So, let's move on to our system sa IMG. And kung makikita po natin dito, may airplane na nasa runway. And why is it in the runway? Ang tagal niya sa runway. So, sabi pa dito, why do planes need to take off? Need speed to take off? Airplanes use a long runway before takeoff to gain enough speed for the plane to lift up into the air. Airplanes can take off only if they are moving fast enough. The runway is important for airplanes because it gives them enough time to accelerate to the required speed to lift into the air. So ano namang relation nito sa IMG? Ba't dumating tayo sa airplane? So may relation po siya, no? Kahit nga po yung, di ba, yung ating cover invite sa ating fast start is eroplano talaga. Kasi na-assimilate natin siya sa eroplano and sa runway. Kasi marami dito sa IMG, ano, sabi nila, around 90% nanatili sa runway. Hindi na po nakapag-take off. Bakit? Kasi hindi po nila finalo yung system. Hindi din po sila naging coachable. So yan po yung tatandaan natin ngayon. Meeting mentality, being coachable, and following the system. System discipline. Okay? Kasi ito po yung proven proven na po yung system ng IMG na for us to be successful, all we have to do is to follow it. Alright? And what's that system? No? So we have what we call the 7-day, 7 steps duplication. So ano ito? So own, meaning you have your own savings program. Here, we walk the talk. Whatever it is that you share to other people, you must have it. Kasi para kang hipokrito kung wala kang iyong Kaiser tapos share ka na sa kaibigan mo. Kumuha ka niyan kasi maganda yan. Pero tanongin ng kaibigan mo, meron ka na ba? Wala pa eh. Diba? So dapat meron tayong own Kaiser natin bago tayo mag-share, and we get referral commissions. That's why we have associate na promotion before sharing, right? And then you know your why. Bakit po ba natin ginagawa ito? Ano? So kasi anyway, we'll discuss later on baka kung ano-ano yung whys natin. So alamin muna natin yung why natin para alam natin kung ba't ba natin ginagawa ito at sino pa bang mga tao yung kailangan nating tulungan. That's why we have this, your share list natin, or yung tinatawag namin itong care list. Care list din kasi yung mga taong you care about na gusto mo ding matulungan. Then after that, yung care list mo is ipapasok sila sa ating Zoom na classes or Zoom field training, or pwede ding one-on-one, depende sa inyo. Kung class naman, maganda kasi nakikita nila may iba ding mga attendees, so marami ding gustong matuto. And then the moment na they join and they start to save also for Kaiser, you earn. And when you earn, diba? So you realize na ito pala, ganito lang pala yung system ni IMG. And then you learn more through the Trainer Academy. And once you learn in the Trainer Academy, most probably equipped na po tayo niyan about the system ng IMG, about the business ng IMG, and then you just duplicate yourself, no? Duplicate yourself meaning marami pa din kagaya mo na ma-promote, na maging trainer, di ba? The system of IMG works best talaga kasi because it's very simple, fast, and doable, and duplicatable. Kagaya po ng mga successful na businesses, na franchises like Starbucks, McDo, di ba? Why are they very successful? You have to say, hindi naman yung pinakamasarap na kape yung sa Starbucks or yung pinakamasarap na burgers sa McDo, di ba? But why are they very successful? Because they have the system of duplication. Di ba? Pare-pareho lang po yung burger sa iba't ibang franchises ng McDo. So yan po yung meron si IMG. In order for a system to be successful kasi, it has to be easily duplicatable. So dito, yung dinuduplicate natin is yung sarili natin. Kung saver and investor ka, dapat hindi lang ikaw, iba din. If you're earning good incomes, IMG, dapat hindi lang ikaw, iba din. Diba? So hatak tayo, diba? Lahat na mag-improve yung financial life nila. And I have to say, generally, na-improve talaga. So let's discuss this one by one. Own. Kung wala pa po tayong Kaiser, own your own savings program. Kung kinukulit po tayo ng ating sponsor, wag po kayong magalit sa kanila kasi they're doing it for you. Owning your Kaiser long-term care, it's like a testament of love for your family and yourself. Right? So you'd realize then when you receive the approval, no, talagang makakapag-sigh tayo ng relief kasi finally covered na ako. May peace of mind ako na whatever happens, hindi maghihirap yung aking pamilya, di ba? And then don't be afraid to inconvenience people for their own good. I already mentioned this before, and this is the line that I got from Sir Noel Arandilia, one of our founders. He keeps saying this a lot, and that's true. It's for their own good. Parang magulang din lang, hindi naman tayo sasabihan niya ng something na tawag na to, para makakasama sa atin, di ba? So ayan. Once you have your own savings program, know your why po ba? No? Bakit po ba gusto natin maging associate? Bakit po ba gusto natin mag-share? Bakit po ba gusto natin gawin yung IMG business, all right? So it could be, no, Number one reason, to pay off your debts. Baka may mga utang tayo ngayon na gusto natin mabayaran na. Ang hirap kaya na everyday we wake up and then you have utang to na iniisip or mga bayranan, di ba? So, ang gandang gumising sa umaga na wala kang iisipin but yung future mo at saka yung present at saka yung future mo. 'Di ba? Maganda siya sa pakiramdam. So, yan din yung goal natin. That's why I really feel strongly about this because sa culture po natin, especially ako, I grew up na sa government, yung parents ko, mama ko teacher, yung papa ko sa police, sa law enforcer. So, alam niyo naman sa government, very accessible yung loan. So, parang dati, I grew up talaga na normal lang yung loan. Dito ko na sa IMG talaga nakita na, ay, marami pala yung nagsisave. Ay, marami pala yung investor. So, when I saw the community of IMG, I really aligned to the community. And the great thing is, shinare ko din sila kay mama. Hanggang sila mama, uy, natapos na din yung mga loans. So, hindi na naglo-loans for example, para lang mag-travel or mga unnecessary na gastos. So, right now, take home niya is buong sweldo na din. And that's really a great achievement, kasi yun nga, pwede namang hindi pala, so she can enjoy right now her full pay na. And then send kids to college. So kung young parent pa tayo, we have a long way to go, to save for the college fund of our kids. And it's possible, because we know here that even if you save us at least 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos per month, you can already achieve more than 1 million by the time na mag-college yung anak mo. It's just a matter of really putting and buying shares. Ano ba yung value ng 500? Baka pang Jollibee nyo lang yan, no? So sacrifice muna ng isang Jollibee. Or 1,000, pang shopping mo lang yan ng damit, diba? So sacrifice muna ng ganyan. Kasi, diba, increase tayo ng cash flow through IMG. Right? Become a better provider for your family. If hindi sapat yung income, so IMG can really give you great income, all right? And replace wife or husband's income. Kung yung asawa mo, husband mo, kapoy na siya at pagod na siya sa trabaho niya, kung malaki ng ipon mo, pwede mo na siyang, di ba? Kung seaman siya, pwede mo na siyang pauwiin for good, di ba? Or OFW siya kasi marireplace mo na ng income mo dito sa IMG. Di ba? Marami na niyan dito yung seaman yung asawa niya, napauwi na niya kasi maganda na yung income niya sa IMG, and yung mga OFWs, di ba, napauwi na din nila. So, pwede. Fire your boss and become your own boss. Ito yung nangyari sa akin. Although, gusto ko naman yung boss ko dati, sa aking online job. It's just that I find more fulfillment sa ginagawa ko sa IMG. Alright? Maganda din naman yung kita dati, but although I started in IMG na 1,000 nga lang per check, per week noon, pero I really saw the vision na money compounds, effort compounds. Iba talaga yung planting season sa harvest season. So you see right now, ilang beses na nag-times yung aking income because of the system of IMG. So hindi ko siya in-expect din dati na kahit yung in-income ko ngayon is ma-achieve, di ba? So, powerful talaga yung system ni IMG. Come home for good for those who are OFW. Travel the world. We have a lot of travels in IMG. Wala pa ang pandemic, we travel 3 to 4 times outside of the Philippines, So, if kailan tayo magta-travel? Kung ugod-ugod na ba tayo, di ba? So, wag naman. So, mag-travel tayo hanggang mabata pa. So, the great thing about the travels in IMG is it's not just about leisure but also about learning because we get to attend the convention, and of course, in between or before and after gala, that's what we do, gala. Sama ko na yung family ko twice, So, sa Hong Kong, nakagala kami sa Disneyland, and then sa Singapore, and then sa Kuala Lumpur, pati yung mama papa ko, nasama ko na din. So, pwedeng-pwede, So, magiging convenient na po yung traveling because of IMG, And madali lang din po siya sa immigration. Once you're an IMG member, madali lang po siyang ma-approve sa immigration, kung IMG member po tayo. Give to charity. We have this longing to really give and to share. But what can you give if you have less? Diba? So, dito sa IMG, as you have more, mas masarap talaga na mag-help. Kaya, na-inspire talaga ako sa ating mga leaders, Super amazing. Every day, I get to witness how generous they are helping the church. And they don't show it off. I just learn from their secretary, how they give to the church, how they help other people. So, amazing lang talaga. You want to become somebody. Kung wala pa tayo, di ba? You want to leave a legacy sa ating pamilya, to the world, di ba? Yung hindi makasariling mga ano lang, mga ambisyon yung ating mga na-achieve sa buhay, but we want to help the coming generations as well. It's even biblical, di ba? So ayan, so baka isa dito yung rason mo or wala, but just let us know kung ano man iyon. Sabihan mo yung sponsor mo para ma-help ka po niya na ma-achieve po yung ating mga why. Ano, eventually ano naman ito, nag-evolve din. For example, me, selfish nga, sabi ko dati, yung purpose ko lang is for myself, and it eventually fired my boss. And right now we do this na. IMG na lang yung ginagawa namin, and we love what we do right now, and this is what we plan to do our whole life na din. Okay? So ayan, and share list, yung pangatlo po natin is yung share list. Sabi ko kanina, this is your care list or your mission list or fortune list din po. Kasi, bakit ba fortune list? Ano? Kasi, it might be na one of those na sinulat mo dyan sa iyong mission list is gusto din talaga yung IMG, and one day might become one of the CEOs, might become one of the, the big leaders here, big builders here in IMG, right? So, hindi mo talaga rin malalaman. Kagaya po ng aking mga superstar, di ba ngayon, like sila Ate Rosel, sila Rich, yung iba pa po nating mga leaders, na hindi ko din inakala na gagawin talaga nila yung mission by heart. All you wanted to do is to help them personally at first, kasi ayaw mo na baka mag-retire sila na mahirap, or they have a good life right now, but if they don't know how to save properly, baka maghirap din sila later on, diba? So ganyan lang yung first mo, and then they realize for themselves na nga pala, no, hindi pala pwede na ako lang, so they also start sharing, and it goes on and on. So lalaki po din yung team nila, naging SMD din po sila, and magiging green jacket na din po sila. So yan po yung greatest joy ko, yung makita silang na marami ding natutulungan, and yung income nila is lumalaki na din, yung hindi lang ikaw yung malaking income, but yung team mo na din, ano. So lahat tayo pwede, of course. You just have to be true to the mission and really help, ano. I have to say, yung income, yung promotion, yung rewards is parang, parang outcome na lang talaga siya in doing the mission. Dadating na lang talaga siya. Hindi mo na, kasi if you focus on the money, ma-out of focus ka. But if you focus on helping, talagang dadating na lang talaga siya. Alright, so list down, sabi dito, list down top 25 names. Especially ngayon na may run tayo na hinahabol, no? Sabi dito, this is your flat tire list. Ito yung kung ma-flatan kayo ng sasakyan, tatawagan mo for help. So, kasi ito yung sasabihan mo na, I'm running for a senior marketing director right now. Can you help me? Sasabihin ng kaibigan mo, how can I help you? So, I need new enrollees and savers sa Kaiser, ano? O sige, magkano ba yan? So, tutulong agad sila sa'yo, no? Malalaman mo din yung mga true friends mo nito. But anyway, no, not to judge, but yung iba naman kasi may nahihirapan, but this is a good way for you para mapabilis din yung promotion mo. And anyway, this is help for them naman. Minsan kasi hindi lang sila aware. So you have to let them know that you're running for MD, for SMD. You have to let your family know that you're running for SMD, MD, kasi sila din naman yung wagbe-benefit kung ikaw ay ma-promote. And para matulungan ka din nila. Okay? Sino ba yung makaka-benefit kung malaki yung income mo? Di ba yung family mo din? So, yun. Wag mahiya, okay? So, sabihin mo sa family mo, magpa-promote tayo ng SMD. Wife, promote tayo ng SMD. Kailangan lang natin ng 15 bago mag-end yung year. Di ba? Para masaya po yung next year nyo, malaki na po yung contract natin every time we close an account, okay? If you just realize that, gaano po siya ka-powerful, no? Attend lang po tayo ng trainings. It can really change your life, ano? And mawawala na yung mga financial worries natin kasi maganda yung nadudulot ni IMG in terms of the business, no? So, yan. If you are writing down your share list, you can do it by yourself, di ba? Pwede namang sa notebook like what you're doing right now. And yung iba, meron nito, yung mga nakakuha nito, or yung hindi pa nakakuha po, sabihan nyo ako or yung sponsor nyo. So ito po yung ating Zoom Financial Literacy Campaign na share list. So bakit Zoom, no? Kasi ngayon, most ng training natin talaga sa Zoom para safe po tayo. Safe po tayong lahat, alright? And it's easier talaga sa Zoom kasi madaling madiscuss na lahat. Yung iba na kailangan i-meet, we can meet them, but of course, medyo delikado din. We have to then take extra ingat din and of course after the pandemic we can do that. But if you can do Zoom right now, you adapt to the system, because this is the reason why the growth is fast right now, because we can do this online. Okay, anong kailangan mo? Internet lang. Puhunan mo dito internet, instead na pang TikTok or Facebook lang yan. So sabihin mo yung kaibigan mo, one hour lang attend ka ng aming financial literacy class, di ba? It can already change his or her life. Yung matututunan niya can already change his or her life. Okay? So, lagay mo lang yung name niya, contact number, yung email niya, para mapasok mo po siya sa iyong campaign list. And then, kailan niyo po siya in-invite sa kanyang first Zoom class. Tapos, ilang beses po, na-follow up na po ba natin? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, talagang 5 or more siya. Kasi yung Pilipino, minsan, hindi yan nadadala sa isang imbita. Kagaya ng dumating sila sa bahay mo, nyayain mong, gutom ka ba? Kain tayo. Sasabihin, mamaya na, busog ba ako? Di ba? Yan muna yung sabihin. Pero pag sabihin mo, sige na, kain tayo kasi, sige na lang. Minsan sa pangalawang follow-up pa yan, di ba? So, yan yung mentality natin. Actually, itong sinabi ni Sir Joe and then sa discussion niya sa wealth creation system, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano makapag-convince ng ibang tao, you take the wealth creation system sa ating training sa portal. So, diniscuss doon ni Sir Joe and kung ano yung mga ways to invite people, and to increase also your confidence and your belief in the mission. Okay, so again, you should have right now your own share list. Meron tayong tinatawag na memory jogger, minsan hindi natin maalala na kung sino-sino, or punta tayo sa Facebook, lagay natin yung mga kakilala natin doon. Or ito ang tinatawag na memory jogger, you can Google it, like, sino ba yung kakilala kong electrician, lifeguard, manager, recruiter, psychologist, di ba? Spa worker, painter, so maalala mo na, so masusulat mo yung mga pangalan nila. So gamit na gamit ito kung nakakalimutan mo na yung mga kakilala mo. Right? So nasa Google din lang itong memory jogger. And may tinatawag tayong Matchokodai. Ito naman from Sir Noel. What is this, sa kasi sa study, ito yung mga nagsasucceed talaga sa IMG, although the system has proven na kahit single, di ba, mabilis din kasi may focus sila, depende talaga yan sa dreams nila and their will to win. So ito naman kasi by study, ito yung nangyayari, so yung mga madaling mag-succeed dito is yung mga married, age 20 up, may mga anak, may binabayarang bahay, may trabaho, coachable dapat, dissatisfied in life, and ambitious for their family, and may own circle of influence niya, like sa trabaho. Right? Kasi kung married, siguro mas malaki yung why nila, kasi may mga anak pa na ipapaaral, and may mga utang na babayaran, di ba? So kung makatagpo kayo ng ganito, swerte po tayo. Pero again, hindi po ito siya yung basihan. Kasi even me, I have members na hindi married, single, but they're very passionate in doing the mission. Who don't have kids, but very passionate in doing the mission. So I'm just sharing this, baka kasi mag-profiling kayo. So makita niyo na, at least makita niyo kung meron kayong member na, or prospect na walang pera, so matutulungan niyo sila na ma-increase yung income nila through the business of IMG. Okay? Alright, sige. So, ayan. So, move on tayo sa pang-apat, which is the Zoom field training na po. So, ano ito? So, ito na yung pagpapapasok, pag-i-invite natin sa kanila sa ating Zoom membership orientation. It happens daily, multiple times a day from noontime to 9 p.m. Diba? So, invite lang, bigay mo lang yung schedule sa kanila, or kung hindi sila available, bigyan mo ng recording ng ating class. So, meron sa Prosper Pinoy, meron din po sa aking channel. I usually mention it sa ating daily na meeting at 7 p.m. na weekdays, Monday to Friday. So, attend din po tayo sa ating daily meeting para ma-align po tayo. Okay? So, yun yung kagandahan yan. Pwedeng nasa bahay lang nagla-laptop or sa tab nyo or sa phone nyo, pwedeng makinig ng class. Okay? So, in doing the invite though, sabi dito, take heed because 90% of failure occurs in invitation or approach level. Diba? Mga bagong members, nanghihina na, konting rejection lang, naku, baka mali yung ginawa ko. So, no. So, you must not take rejection personally. Usually, lang yan, mamaya na kasi minsan wala pang pera or minsan iba pa yung understanding nila, diba? Or yun, nasa iba pa silang zone of their mind. So, maybe they're just having an unintelligent decision due to wrong timing and improper information. So don't take rejections or no personally. Okay? That's why we have to have as many sa ating share list para if reject ka ngayon, kinakain na lang po yan talaga natin. Move on ka to the next. Until such time na, i-follow up mo na lang sila or sila na mismo talaga yung lalapit sa'yo. If you're consistent, for example, in posting in Facebook, very visible ka in doing the mission, they would just approach you na lang and they do it themselves na say, sabi nila, Joy, gusto ko nang mag-start ng Kaiser, gusto ko nang mag-IMG, gusto ko nang mag-ipon ng mutual funds. Sila na mismo yung lalapit sa'yo. No? So, what you have to do lang talaga is to be consistent. Kasi marami din dito sa start lang maganda. Pag wala na. So, ano ba talaga? Parang hindi mo maintindihan sila kung ano ba talagang gusto nila. No? So, I have to say, minsan, you really have to push them pa talaga na mag-attend talaga ng meetings kasi minsan yan na may misalign lang. Mas nai-influence sila ng mga negative friends nila pag sinabing, nako, wag yan kasi ganito yan. So, di ba, iba pa kasi yung mga perception nila. So, dun sila naniniwala instead sa mga insiders mismo sa IMG who have achieved na their dreams in life. So, sayang lang talaga. But I'm proud of those talaga who stick to IMG no matter the rejections. Kagaya ni Memorial, no? Grabe talaga yung pinagdaanan niya. But patuloy na patuloy and ang galing ngayon kasi nakakapag-build na din siya ng team niya. And marami pa din po sa atin, Natutuwa lang po talaga ako sa inyo na relentless, in doing the mission. And ngayon, may mga bagong members na magiging kagaya din natin, Right? And do not start with the product. Start with the concept. Give minimum presentation. Kung mag-i-invite po tayo, sabihin natin, nakapag-attend ka na ba ng class ko? Yung i-share ko sa'yo na schedule? Hindi pa. Ito, may class ngayon. Or kung, yes, nakapag-attend na. Sige, kumusta naman? Q&A na kayo. Alright? Huwag mag-umpisa sa, uy, maganda yung Kaiser, sumali ka. So, wala. Hindi ganyan, kasi para tayong ahente niyan. Hindi naman tayo mga ahente dito. Tayo ay mga financial educators. Madi-defeat po yung purpose natin in educating them if we focus on Kaiser itself. Although, of course, we cater questions, but it's best if they really join the class para they understand it holistically. Okay? So, meron namang recorded kung hindi sila makapag-attend. And push mo kahit hindi pa nila naintindihan. Kaya sabihin mo, kaya ka magpa-member para maintindihan mo thoroughly kasi nasa portal yung lahat ng tawag nito, ng workshop. Kasi if you would have to take that workshop, yung content niyan, you would have to go to the US. Walang nagtuturo ng ganyan dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, ayan. Membership, what is? 5-5 lang Tapos nandyan na yan lahat. Minsan yung 5-5, pampalitsyon lang natin yan or pang shopping lang natin yan, di ba? Pero ito, that can really help them lifetime. And then invite the spouse or the main person of influence kasi nakakatuwa din to kasi minsan yung asawa lang yung kinakausap natin tapos pag uwi ni sample si Mrs. umuwi ng bahay, sabihin niya si Mr. Ako, habi, tapos na ako ng appointment, gusto ko nang magpa-member ng IMG and mag-Kaiser. Tapos ito naman si husband na na-scam na siguro dati and medyo may trauma sa mga in terms of, mga financial na mga usapan, sabihin, baka scam yan. Sino yung main person of influence ni wife? Di ba si husband? That's why I always suggest na kung may mag-approach sa inyo or may sharean kayo na married person, you better do it with a spouse. Mas madali po, mas in sync din sila. That's easier kasi, yan, sakit yan talaga. Pag uwi sa bahay, wala na. Hindi na yan matutuloy. So, kausapin nyo silang dalawa. Right now, recently I had this member din, na nag-approach sa akin from Dubai siya and I know na married siya. Sabi ko, sige, mag-usap tayo together with your wife. So maganda kasi silang dalawa and after that, nag-join and save ka agad kay 100 annual. Kasi aligned na. Naiintindihan na nilang dalawa in one discussion. Okay, so para easier din for you as a trainer. Okay, and then of course, book study, we can do pre-recorded yung ating YouTube or live yung ating 12 noon to midnight madalas, And then kung on-site naman or physical meetings, probably we can do this na after the pandemic. Kung kayo ngayon, sa ibang, I know we're doing this, mask din lang and face shield para safe po tayo, okay? But we encourage online right now. And what do we do when we do the online trainings, So this is the presentation flow. We always start again with the concepts, not the product. Pangatlo na po siya. So we discussed primarily the solid financial foundation. Okay? Kasi dito na discuss kung gaano kahalaga yung pagbibuild ng solid financial foundation. Kasi madalas sa atin iniisip investment agad, 'di ba? So mali din. Parang kung doktor ka, ang sinabihan mo, sige, okay lang 'yan, mag-investment ka muna. Parang nagpe-prescribe ka ng maling gamot sa bulsa, 'di ba? Later on, mamoroblema din 'yan sila. So kung magtuturo ka na din lang, ituro mo yung tama. Okay? So ayan, and then the moment na ma-discuss mo yung solid financial foundation, discuss mo na yung ating benefits, yung ating partner companies, how they partnered with us, and how they trust us, so 12 para may maalala talaga agad sila na figure, kung magkano. And anyway, if they want higher plan or lower plan, so depende yan sa kanila, but give them the value lang niya after 20 years, which can give them 1 million, kung K100 yung plan nila. Kasi sila din naman yung kawawa if kukonti lang na plan yung kukunin nila or maliit lang like K45 or K50, $500,000 lang yan yung ma-receive nila later on. If they can save more, and anyway, we have extra income in IMG, why not, diba? It's also for them. And you discuss further about Kaiser. Kung hindi pa po tayo sa license sa most 18, wag muna. Mutual fund, for supplementation, for saving for retirement and other goals, right? And of course, we discuss also the compensation. You did tell them na meron tayong business side. Kasi yun yung hesitation nila mismo minsan na baka hindi ko masustain yung aking Kaiser kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko kukunin yung pera later on. So sabihin mo may business side, mag-help ka lang ng 5 people, pwede na yung makapag-sustain ng iyong Kaiser. Promoted ka pa to MD. Makakapa-receive ka pa ng higher contract later on. Okay? So, this is a great help. It's a win-win situation sa natulungan mo, sa sarili mo, and sa buong team mo. And sa marami pang tao kasi magre-ripple yan. Marami yung magiging saver and investor. Okay? So, wag tayong matakot, mahiya, kasi tulong siya para sa lahat. Okay? And then, may tinatawag tayo na fortune in follow-up, or tawag nating #FitFu. Ano po ito? So, ito yung sinasabing may tinatawag tayo na follow-up sa ating process kasi minsan yung success is found in the follow-up itself. Right? Or the mission delivered is in the follow-up itself. Marami sa ating yung nag-quit na dun pa lang kasi sa approach level, yung nag-Zoom na sila na class tapos hindi pa sila agad nagpa-member. So i-follow up mo lang. Okay, wag tayong matakot. Minsan ako din meron akong situation nito, may na-sharean ako dati and hindi agad siya nag-save or nag-join ng IMG, tapos nakita ko siya one time nag-post sa Facebook kasi na-promote siya to an international na organization and travel na siya ng travel. So I chatted him, sabi ko, baka gusto mo nang mag-join sa IMG and mag-save ng Kaiser, join ka sa class namin. So sabi niya, sige let's meet next month kasi uuwi ako. So nag-meet kami. When I met him pa, yung binigay ko na example sa Kaiser is K100 plan. Tapos alam niyo kung anong nangyari. Bumaba siya, pumunta siya dun sa K250 na plan. So K250 plan, annualized pa. So yun yung biggest plan ko na so far na close, yung first na K50 ko, nasundan din yan after. But it's so amazing kasi unexpected lang talaga, and the SMD na contract that can already give you around 70,000, isang upuan mo lang, nakatulong ka pa. Of course, siya naman yung marami multi-millionaire later on, but imagine, so that's how powerful the contract is. What if you can have many appointments in a day and you can close how many annualized, diba? So kaya nga sabi dito sa IMG, ikaw talaga yung makakapag-diktar kung magkano yung income mo dito. Diba? Wala naman tayong quota, wala naman tayong demotion. Bakit ba yung mga IMG people very passionate pa din? Diba? Kasi we know how important what we are sharing is. Parang plus na din lang yung income side, diba? Hindi tayo kagaya ng mga insurance companies na may quota and malalaglag sila sa kanilang kampanya kung hindi makamit. Dito nga wala tayong quota pero masipag pa din, diba? Yun. So, ayan, kasi more focus tayo sa ating mission. So, wag tayong matakot mag-follow up. And kasi minsan baka gagaya sa akin, may 2 friends na ako na binawian ng buhay and I feel so guilty kasi hindi ko sila na-follow up. Siguro kung na-follow up ko sila, may natanggap yung pamilya nila or naka-help sa kanilang hospitalization, 'di ba? So part yun ng aking guilt sa aking hindi pagpa-follow up. So I don't want you to have that guilt, ano? So maging masugid po tayo sa pagpa-follow up talaga. Alright? And may tinatawag tayong 8-speed filter sa pagpa-follow up. So again, yung details po ng ating members. If you don't have a copy of this, you can, or if you can just have it in your note. But if you want this one, just tell me. Or this is also included sa ating checklist. Ano, if you don't have it yet, you're a new member, just tell me or your sponsor. Okay, so you have to write the name and then yung sining inviter and yung email or number niya, and then filter 1, napa-Zoom class mo na ba siya. After Zoom class, pinapili mo ba ano yung sa checklist yung pinaka nagustuhan nila. For example, Kaiser ba or gusto nilang travel the world. So yung checklist sa mga hindi pa alam, nasa Dominate tool natin ito. Alright, just ask your sponsor pag hindi pa alam. If you are always in the 7 p.m. daily meeting natin, I'm surely alam natin ito or ng sponsor mo. Okay, and then after that, Q&A, no? Gusto mo pala yung Kaiser, sa ganito siya, diba? So just discuss further lang, and then review the benefits, yung the rest of the benefits, review yung product na gusto nila, which is kadalasan Kaiser naman talaga yan. And then, saka na natin i-process sa e-join and sa e-app. So, online lang siya. So, mayroon lang tayong template ng details na kailangan. Hingin natin sa kanila up to the beneficiaries. And then, we process it. And then, they can make the payment or they can make the payment ahead and then process it along with the application. So, mas madali siyang ganyan. I think yung sponsor nyo, alam na naman ito, magpaturo lang po tayo. Okay? And then, after that, hindi sapat na nakapag-join and save na sila. So sila din, gusto din naman yan nila makatulong sa kanilang pamilya, sa mga kaibigan nila. You let them invite people to the next Zoom class. Alright? So para, di ba, yun na, duplication na. And then you set your goal. Alamin mo dapat kung ano yung whys nila para ma-remind mo sila kung minsan nanghihina sila sa business. Alright? So for example, yung mga nasa abroad na gusto nang umuwi, so you let them, di ba, understand or let them refocus na, di ba, kaya mo ito ginagawa kasi gusto mo nang makauwi, makasama yung mga anak mo. Kasi minsan, nanghihina po talaga tayo, no? For whatever reasons, for example, rejections. Parang laptop din lang. Kahit gaano po yan ka-upgraded yung laptop mo, di ba? Nalolobat din naman tayo. I got this from Sir Jess. So, kahit sinong nilalang, di ba? Nanghihina. Kaya nga, may mga meetings tayo, may mga trainings tayo para tawag nito, para mabuhayan tayo ulit. Ako, that's what I do. This is the great secret of the business talaga, no? Yung meeting lang. Kasi ako, wala akong background ng sales. Wala akong and very introvert po ako. Pero I have this meeting mentality. So, attend lang po ako ng meeting. Naglo-learn lang po talaga ako. And as I learn, I share along. So, yun lang. Yung kailangan lang po talaga, very coachable kayo. And attend po tayo ng meetings para aligned po tayo. And nabubuhayan po talaga tayo sa meetings. Especially yung leaders call natin every morning, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay? So, attend po tayo. Let's fight for a slot sa ating leaders meeting. Okay? And then number 5, when we learn, of course, we earn. So yan na yung earning natin. Of course, hindi siya madali. And that's why I have to ask, how big po ba yung dream natin? Di ba? So gaano po ba kalaki yung dream natin sa buhay, para sa mga anak natin, para sa pamilya natin? Kasi minsan, di ba, we match our dream to the size of our income. Yung dream natin dati, gusto ko malaking bahay or gusto ko makapag-travel sa Europe, pero because ganito yung income mo, ay dito lang muna tayo sa tabing, dito lang muna tayo. Di ba kasi hindi pa. So dito ko nakita sa MG na you don't have to shrink your dreams to the size of your income. No? Dito kasi pwede mong ma-achieve yung dreams mo just by doing the mission of IMG, and you can achieve a way better income, ano? So, makikita natin dito, no? Sabi, big blessings await in helping people. So, pwedeng ma-match ng income mo dito yung gusto mo sa dreams mo. For example, no? Ito actually, I have to say, this is relaxed pa to na income, ano? Say, for example, you're an associate right now. Then you become MD, and SMD, you have an average 50,000 monthly. Average pa yan kasi you can earn more, like 150K. Depende sa sipag mo, ano? And green jacket, 100,000. CEO, 150 or more, di ba? I have to say more pa talaga kasi right now I'm green jacket but I'm earning more than this. So, depende po yan sa atin. So, kung ano yung dream mo yan, konting sipag mo lang dito, ma-achieve mo. All right, so just align yourself to the system lang. And pwedeng ma-achieve yung mga, kaya makikita mo dito sa IMG, nabibigyan talaga yung hope ng mga tao. Kasi may mga dreams na, like ako, may mga dreams ako dati nga, parang namatay na. Kasi, ano, kasi feeling ko hindi talaga ma-achieve ng income ko. So dito sa IMG, nabuhay talaga yung dreams ko. So possible pala, nakikita mo na 5 years from now, pwedeng maging 1 million yung income mo per month. Hindi to hype ha, but it's happening. Because the leaders, those who are successful here, like sila Sir Bench, sila Sir Jess, they income like 1 million per 1 month, no? Yung iba, 1 month, 1 million. So it's happening. And it's not really just about the money, but it's just the result talaga of helping more people, of building other people. So you can see it, but di ba sasabihin mo kasi, titingnan mo kasi kung, for example, sa pinagtatrabahuan mo ngayon, if you want to see your future, titingnan mo yung mga taong ahead of you like 10 years from now. For example, sa trabaho mo ngayon, yung manager mo, kumusta naman? Kung ikaw ay agent ngayon, yung manager mo, kumusta naman yung status niya, especially financially? No? So baka kasi manager siya tingnan pero madami din siyang utang, 'di ba? Kulang yung income niya pa din, 'di ba? So that's 10 years ahead of you na, but dito sa MJ titingnan mo yung 5-10 years ahead of you, malayo na yung nararating. So you just look at the person ahead of you. Ako, I started more than 4 years ago, but I did not expect na ganito din yung ma-achieve. And of course, it's not an easy start, ano? It's super rough kasi you struggled pa to build your own financial foundation while helping other people won't believe you easily. Wala pang Zoom dati, wala pang Sharon Cuneta, wala pang mga ibang personalities that could back you up. But if gusto mo talaga na makatulong ka, kasi yung alam mo yung parents mo mismo may mga utang pa, yung mga kaibigan mo, they got financial products na mali. So, i-share mo sa kanila. Ito yung natutunan ko sa IMG. Umattend ka ng class, magpa-member ka. So, ngayon natutunan na din nila. Yun nga, yung masarap sa pakiramdam, yung tatawag sa'yo na, Hair, natapos ka na yung mga utang ko. So, that for me is a fulfillment. Those na nagpa-member and they do the IMG business, yung sasabihin nila sa'yo na, naka-close ako ngayon ng annualized na ano. So, di ba, yung sila na din nakakapag-income na din ng malaki. So, yan, for me, that's a fulfillment. Yung meron kaming team na namatay, kinuha nila Lord, and na-deliver talaga namin na-claim nila yung check nila, tapos na-transfer yung plan. That is mission delivered. Nakatulong ka talaga sa pamilya, yung na-receive nila, nakapagbayad ng utang nila, and nakapag-school sa kids nila, and a lot more. So, yan So, di mo alam kung ano ma-achieve natin dito. So, but there, I have here a butterfly, and it's coming out of its cocoon, nagmetamorphosize siya. And the question is, just like this, are you ready to succeed? Because if you want to succeed, hindi talaga siya madali. The more sacrifice, the more talagang challenges na pinagdadaanan, the sweeter the success, no? Of course, wala pa tayo sa pinnacle talaga ng success, but na-experience ko talaga yan, yung susuko ka na, kasi ang hirap dati when you have to build, ang ganda ngayon kasi Zoom na lang. I have to travel almost every week, like for example to my province, bit ko pa yung anak ko, may maleta ako, may anak ako dito, kanlong ko pa as in, grabe. So, but you do it because you know na may tao doon na gustong makapag-build, gusto din may ma-sharean. Kung hindi mo sila tutulungan, anong mangyayari sa kanila, di ba? So, napaka-selfish. So, you make some sacrifices, para makahelp ka din ng other people. And right now, nagbunga siya. Kaya nga, lumaki na yung team. So, ayan, can you invest time? Can you make this your priority instead of just watching Netflix or Korean novela? You spend your time posting in Facebook about positive stuff, about personal finance, about IMG. How much importance can you give? Siguro 2 to 3 hours of your time if you have a full-time job, just allot it to IMG, and that can go a long way. That's how I started. It's funny for me because abrupt talaga siya. Kinat ko yung cable dati namin kasi I watch a lot of TV since I was maliit pa. So, na-realize ko, after IMG, ang daming oras ko palang na waste in watching TV. And when you watch TV, of course, you're conditioned by what you watch, especially in commercials. Bili ka nito, bili ka nito. So, I stopped it, and I focused on looking at people, observing, and I branded myself in Facebook ng saving and investing in IMG. So, yun lang ginawa ko para yung recall ng mga tao kung gusto nilang mag-save is ako. So, pwede din yan yung gawin po natin. So, para ngayon, especially ngayon, marami yung ang may mga bonus para hindi naman mapunta lang sa malls yung mga pera nila, no? May matabi talaga sila para sa sarili nila. Makapag-start sila ng savings nila sa Kaiser, makapagpa-member sila, and makapag-mutual funds. Alright? So we can do it. And we have this, what we call 3 types of discipline by Swan Yan. Sabi dito, physical discipline, emotional discipline, and system discipline. What is physical discipline? Of course, no? Kasi hindi madali. For example, yung pag-attend pa lang ng leaders meeting, that happens every morning. But madaling maubos yung slot. So instead of 10 a.m. ka mag-log, we log at 8 a.m. Kasi if 10 ka pa or 9 ka pa, wala na. Ubos na yung 1,000 slots. Kaya I appreciate talaga and saludo ako sa other countries like Ma'am Muriel no, in Dubai. She wakes up at 4 a.m. para makapag-log. It's 4 a.m. in Dubai para makapasok po siya sa leaders meeting. And you see the results right now. She has her own team because she's learning there. Nangihinap din po daw siya and parang vitamin niya po yung leaders meeting. I mean leaders call. No? Kasi natututunan niya yung pinagdadaanan din ng ibang tao and how they overcome the challenges and how they become successful. No? So, yun lang. Yun din yung number 1 na masasuggest ko sa inyo. Fight to get a slot in the leaders call every morning. Tomorrow, meron na naman po. Pero I log in again at 8 a.m. para secure na yung slot. Pag 9 na po kayo mag-log or 8:30, wala na po. Ubos na po yung 1,000 slots. Kasi yung Zoom is up to 1,000 lang po. So sa IMG, makikita mo talaga sila yung mga winner mindset kasi yung mga winner mindset nasa leaders meeting. Leaders call yan every morning. Okay? Emotional discipline, a lot of people nakaka-encounter tayo sa IMG. So tataas talaga yung EQ natin dito. No? And of course, system discipline kasi may tinatawag tayo na system sa IMG. If you don't follow this, wala. You're bound to fail here. You have to really be coachable. Like I said many times, and wag na po tayo gawa ng ibang system. And this system kasi ni IMG is proven na po, proven na to really help people succeed. Sabi pa nila, you are wise if you learn from your mistake, but you are wiser if you learn from other people's mistake. Diba? So let's learn from the mistakes of our leaders kasi in-eradicate na po nila yung mga mistake na ngayon, and para smoother na po sa atin. So thank you to the leaders now for doing that, for paving the way for us para simple na po yung gagawin natin sa IMG. And we have it here, sabi dito, run the system and the system will run the business. We have a perfectly running model. This is the wealth creation system found in your portal sa resources tab, webinars. All right, just take this. Sabi pa nga sa DTI, out of 100 businesses daw, in the next 5 years na nagtatayo, yung 80% daw po niyan is nag-fail. Right? 20% lang po yung nagsasucceed. And then another 5 years, towards the 10th year, yung sa 20%, 80% din po niyan nag-fail and 20% lang din yung nagsasucceed. So it's an accumulative success rate of 4% and a failure of 96%. That's why we know a lot of people na may mga business sila dati or baka tayo nakapag-try tayo pero hindi siya nag-last. Ano kaya baka wala tayong system. Diba? May mga internet shop tayo dati, may karinderya, or may mga buy and sell, pero hindi talaga siya nag-succeed. Baka kulang po tayo ng system. And that's what we have in IMG. Parang pang McDo siya na system. But this one, what did you pay? 5,500? 6,000? Associate, 12,382. Yung McDo, kung gusto mong ganyan ka-successful, kailangan meron ka munang 50 million para makapag-franchise ng McDo. Diba? Or Starbucks, diba? So dito 5,500 to 12,382 para maging associate, diba? Pwede na po natin gawin yung system ng IMG. So exponentially higher business success rate po if meron tayong system. And you just align yourself to the system of IMG para po tayo maging successful. So ride na lang tayo para less yung mistakes. So andito na yung ating promotion guidelines. Associate 20%, MD is 37%. You can see almost 100% yung jump ng contract if you become MD. So saan po tayo niyan? Kung sa company nga natin, 'di ba, may appraisal pero magkano lang 4%, mataas na po yung 12%. Ito almost 100% kasi 40% is double na eh. So if you just realize how powerful this is and no demotion, no quota, ngayon lang kasi you're running for MD. So just finish this 3-3 kung running for MD kayo December 15, okay? And SMD is December 31st. So tapusin na po before December 31st para makapag-chill and makapag-relax naman for New Year. Ano? Hindi gaya ko dati kasi yung deadline was January 15, I guess. So New Year, nag-appointment po talaga. Talagang hindi ko na feel yung Christmas season then because I was really fighting for this. And after that talaga na-enjoy ko na yung nakapiling ko na yung pamilya ko all the time, and I had time freedom because I really fought for SMD. So fight for SMD. This could change your family's lives. Okay? And EMD, so we'll park here lang muna sa SMD, kasi ito yung ating next goal for everyone. Of course, pwedeng kamitin tong lahat, okay? But baka hindi pa po maintindihan ngayon. So, big income here just means more Filipino families help, okay? And actually, foreign, kasi open naman po tayo sa foreign din. Okay, so be trained. Number 6 is be trained by the masters. The trainer academy is deadline also is December 30. Just have 3. So automatic po, if mag-qualify po tayo sa MD, automatic na din po tayong qualified sa trainer academy. So this is a powerful training event for the future trainer and builder. So yung marami tayong sigurong questions na andito lang din masasagot. Okay, so suggestion ko, qualify lang for MD and everything will just follow. Qualified na din po dito. Okay, so deadline is December 31, but just target the December 15 para sa 3. Kung maglampas tayo, then of course, mabuti para may trainer jacket. 5 po yung ating trainer jacket. Okay, so ayan, and pang-pito, or just run the system. When you run the system, then duplication happens. So, hindi po sapat na tayo lang po yung maging successful, ma-promote. So, ma-promote po tayo ng MD. Tulungan din po natin yung ating members na ma-promote din po to MD or SMD. Kaya nga maganda kung matapos mo agad yung iyong promotion para makatulong din po tayo sa iba. Yan po yung nangyari sa akin dati. So, I fought for SMD. Hindi po ako pumayag na yung member ko, hindi mo din siya ma-promote to SMD. So, dalawa po talaga kami. Sabay kaming na-awardan ng SMD sa Singapore po yun nung 2017, a year after ako nag-join sa IMG. So, ang ganda po ng feeling na hindi lang po ikaw na-promote, pati po yung mga kasama mo, yung mga napasok mo na-promote din. Okay, of course, hindi yan lahat kasi hindi naman pare-pareha yan sila ng mindset. That's why you have to share to as many people para malaman mo din kung sino talaga yung may mga big heart to really help other people. Okay, so be MD fast para maging MD din po yung ating mga members and maging SMD din po kayo. Okay, may mga training references po tayo, yung nabanggit ko po kanina, pwede pong sa mobile. So workshop is a must, wealth creation system is a must. This is what you should do after this training right now. Okay, especially the wealth creation system. This is for personal naman yung ating workshop. Okay, and we have the community, IMG community. So, log into your portal para explore mo siya. Alamin mo kung gaano siya kaganda, di ba? And then we have our FB page po, yung may official logo kasi marami pong mga international marketing group na pages gawa po ng ibang members. Pero you subscribe or you like po or follow the official page, yung may logo po. Ito, para makita po niyo sa feed ninyo yung mga updates ng IMG or may mga promo, right? And yung ating team po sa IMG, which is Prosper Pinoy, we have this community. So, the Prosper Pinoy team is for the members and the Kaiser holders or MB Live finds, no? So, you add them here and you welcome them here, no? So, for members only. And if may na-sharehan po tayo, they understand the mission already but they did not join yet, you can add them. You can welcome them to our life group or the Life of a Financial Educator Forum para makita din po nila yung community, makita nila yung mga update, what's happening, di ba? So, makarelate din po sila. And of course, mas slowly, makapag-adjust na po sila. Malaman na po nila na, uy, meron palang community of savers and investors. Okay, this is for guests and members as well. So, hanapin po natin dapat nandito na po tayo sa pages na ito. Okay? Sample po. So, for example, ito, I shared to Lapu-Lapu PNP, no, na personals. So, I posted here in Life of a Financial Educator. So, sabi dito, financial literacy class earlier with Lapu-Lapu City PNP. We have 73 more law enforcers added to our campaign list. So, eto sila. They are the one who approached me to do the discussion to them. So, you show it, you post it to Life of a Financial Educator. So, other people can see it na, oh pala, no, pati PNP kailangan din palang malaman ng financial education. And then, Ito, welcome Karen and congrats to Joanne for sharing IMG to your friends. So you can do this, no? If you have a friend na nag-share, you ano them, you congratulate them, you recognize them. Ito naman sabi, welcome and congratulate for having a book study. So you can do this, have a picture with your activity and share it. You inspire other people if you do this. Congrats to Miss Mona for sharing to John Carlos. So ito through Zoom din naman. Alright, so we can post this to live, yung activities natin aside sa pag-share sa ating messenger, ano, sa ating group chat, you show it to our page, you share it to our page para ma-inspire din po natin yung ibang members natin. You really don't know how tayo makakapag-inspire ng other members na nanghina, tas yung i-share mo lang din pala, yun pala yung makakapag-inspire din sa kanila. Okay? And punta na tayo sa ating new members checklist. Okay, so we have a Google Sheet copy of this that we have sent to the group chats. If at tanungin mo lang yung sponsor mo for the copy of this para meron ka, this will be your guide for the next 30 days or less, ano, na kailangan mong magawa as a member para ma-maximize mo din yung membership. For example, nakalagay na dito kung kailan ka nag-fast start, which is today. Yung wealth creation system, na-take mo na ba? Pwede mo siyang i-take more than once. You can indicate it here. Kasi sabi pa nga, repetition is the best teacher. Marami kang bagong natututunan as you repeat the trainings kasi most likely we are in different state of mind as we attend the trainings, okay? Yung workshops, so nakalink na po ito sa ating workshops, wealth creation system, okay? So kailan po tayo nag-qualify sa Trainer Academy or na-achieve ko na ba ito? Na-promote na ba ako to MD? So focus on this. Now, ask me or your sponsor for the copy of this so that you can have your own copy. Okay? So marami itong siyang sheets na pwede nating ma-fill out. Okay? Okay pa ba tayo dyan? Sorry, tagal-tagal ko pala. No? So, sulitin na natin. So, end your 2020 strong. This have been a very, anong tawag natin dito? Hindi natin in-expect yung mga nangyayari sa 2020, ano? But for me, for IMG, ano, grabe, blessings lang talaga. Para siyang, hindi lang siya silver lining eh. Parang lahat na nga ng blessings dumating ngayong 2020 dito sa IMG. While other people are struggling dito sa IMG, and daming blessings. That's why we want you to join us also, ano, to have the benefits that we are benefiting, because this is also for long term. So announcements, promote yourself to marketing director. Again, the deadline is 15th of December. That's just 3-3 within 30 days. So kung meron kayong points before November, say November 15 to December 14 po yung iyong deadline. Okay? Just 3-3. Actually, pwede nga itong matapos in one day. Gagaya ni Lovely na sa Taiwan, natapos niya in one day lang. So, sino ba? Yung asawa mo, yung kaibigan mo, di ba? So, pwede na para makapag-focus ka na sa SMB run mo after that. Okay? So, 3 people join and save. And you know what? When you achieve this, automatic, qualified na po tayo sa Trainer Academy. Kung gusto mo lang mag-jacket nito, ang ganda na po ng ating jacket, so add ka lang po ng 2-2 after that. So, qualified na po tayo sa Trainer Academy. This will happen early next year. Okay? And, pin, ito natapos na pala. So, wala nang pin ngayon. So, congrats sa naka-qualify before nag-end po yung November. Okay? And we have the community campaign shirt. The deadline is December 15 also. Automatic po, qualified tayo kasi 1-1 lang, 3-3 yung na-achieve mo eh. Tapos, yung kailangan lang, may napasok po tayong 30 campaign sa personal na campaign link po natin. If hindi nyo pa alam ito, ask your sponsor how to get your personal campaign link. You just go to this one. Actually, it's in your portal, no, sa Dominate tool. But if you want to get the direct link, just this one, https colon and then // to, and then your code, and then .30m2030.com. So yan yung personal link me that mo na you can bookmark or you can add to your homepage sa phone mo para madali mong ma-input yung mga na-campaign mo sa atin sa IMG. Okay? This is important. Dapat meron kang na-campaign na 30 people in 30 days. Not necessarily pala na nag-join na or nag-save na, and actually not necessarily na nakausap mo na, kahit yung prospect mo palang na-sharean mo na. So meron ka ng email and telephone number nila or mobile, you can put them na para maka-receive sila ng email inviting them to our Zoom class. Ang ganda po ng auto-reply nito. So, ipasok nyo na po sila sa ating campaign list. And, eto, ultimately, no, yung ultimate SMD run, dito po kasi nabago yung buhay ko talaga, no? Parang ito yung ano niya, dito nagsimula lahat nung naging SMD ako. So I really encourage you na maging SMD din. Again, it's 15-15. It's 50% discount para po kayo maging multi-millionaire. Right? So ang daming mga discounts sa malls, so whatever it is, no? Pero you're buying liabilities. Right? It's taking money from you. This is a discount that can give you millions later on of income. So take this opportunity, right? For any help, just approach me, approach your sponsor. Every day we have trainings. Every day we have meetings to help you. This isn't an employment meeting. Dito you remove your employment hat, you put on your entrepreneurship hat, no? So kasi dito, kasi maraming takot sa meeting dito kasi nga employment mentality, but dito yung meeting talaga is something that can really help you grow. So maging thirsty po tayo for meetings, ano? So ayan, 15 people lang na mag-join and save before mag-end yung year. And ayan, madaming ma-achieve. Kung maging MD tayo, pwede tayong mag-qualify sa free healthcare for MD and then for SMD. You don't have to be employed to have a free healthcare. Yung long-term care is intact na. Ito covered pati pre-existing. I remember when I was running for SMD, yung target ko talaga was to hit this, right? And of course, ito yung pathway natin for GCEO. I'm just sharing you this so you see it already. You have this in your portal, in your downloadable forms sa iyong resources. Para i-download mo na para makita mo yung pathway mo to become a CEO here. Okay, so 10-10 na ma-help to 15-15, 30-30. Ito po yung guide ko dati when I run to Green Jacket and even up to now. Right? So, have this printed na para makita mo and keep attending the meetings. And of course, sabi dito, if you run the mission will run your promotion, your career, your business. All right? So, focus on 30-30 lang. MD first and everything will follow. Para pwede pa po tayong makasama sa London, ano? This is 150 lang po yung ating London. Free, this is on February 28. To know more, just let us know, di ba? Para makasama po tayo. This is for free. And wala po tayong tatrabahuin. Reward po ito for helping many people. And you can achieve your first ring, no, ng Sapphire ring din dito sa IMG as soon as you can. I achieved mine already. My joy would be to have you qualify also. So this only signifies your income. This is like the same, yung naggagawa ng singsing na ito is yung maker din ng NBA na ring makers, ano? So this is around 100 to 200,000 yung worth ng singsing daw na ito. So ayan, so excited na po ako. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa alahas pero bibigyan ako eh. So tanggapin na po natin. So daming rewards ng IMG. Now I'll just leave you with this last part, no? May tinatawag tayong 4 business mentalities. So very important para lang yung sakyanan or sasakyan or race car for you to be able to speed up, no, in your promotion here, in your milestones here in IMG. You must have these 4 basic mentalities. Business mentality. So one is recruiting. What is recruiting? Yung iba takot pa sa word na recruiting. So every time, di ba, lahat naman ng organizations nagre-recruit, army, mga police, mga pare, di ba? Para dumami sila, marami silang pare. So dito naman, nag-recruit tayo para marami tayong financial educators. And this is networking na we earn sa membership naman, di ba? That differentiates us from the rest because this is real business. We don't earn sa membership, we earn sa products. So don't be afraid to recruit because every recruit mo is sold that a person, their family that can be saved, and mentality mo na talaga yan. Pag gising mo sa umaga, mag-Facebook ka, you must have that recruiting mentality. Kami, pag nasa aeroplano, biyahe kami, kahit yung katabi namin, di ba? Papakita lang ng libro, tapos ini-invite na namin sa IMG. Di ba? So kaya may mga members tayo na strangers din. And then Fast Start, you must attend the Fast Start. This is what we have right now, okay? Para alam mo yung sa business side. And talaga, sinabi dito, no, on my arrow talaga yung meeting mentality. I have to say na ito talaga kasi yung makakapagbuhay sa'yo. Kung hindi ka po nag-attend ng meeting, mami-misalign po kasi tayo. Hindi natin alam yung mga updates or hindi natin alam yung mga processes, okay? Tapos, ang hirap kasi yung mag-communicate lang sa'yo kung may problema. Tapos, yung mga problema or mga challenges na yun, na-discuss pala sa mga meetings or, di ba? So, dapat you must have the meeting mentality, especially the leaders call mentality, okay? And our daily, which is 7 p.m. Once you have this meeting mentality, yung mindset mo talaga mag-shift to to being a servant leader. So you would love to contribute na to our bigger goal, which is to achieve 30 million by 2030. Magiging team player na po tayo. You would love to contribute to our bigger goals. Kasi yung success mo, if you succeed here in IMG, that means I succeed, the team succeeds also, the rest of the leaders succeed, IMG succeeds. If you fail, meaning I fail, the team fails, everybody fails. All right, so that's why hilahan tayo dito. Win-win situation for everyone if someone gets promoted, all right, and we help everyone get promoted kasi that's one being promoted means yung kanina pa lang MD, three people na, 3 families help na. So we bring along more people lang talaga. Okay? Sorry ha, natagalan. So financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone, from a spender to saver, to investor, to entrepreneur, to business owner. Kasi business yung IMG, so yan ang ginagawa namin ngayon. It's a family business. Before, paycheck to paycheck. Now, I'm a homemaker, mom of 2. That's my primary role. And EMD sa IMG, also an AFP, the Registered Financial Planner of the Philippines. And Green Jacket, trainer na din po ng ating WSB sa US and Canada, yung ating Green Jacket. And then certified life insurance underwriter ng IIAP or Insurance Institute of Asia and the Pacific. And of course, investor and entrepreneur. So this is what IMG did to me. Before, I have lots of financial worries. Nawala po yan lahat. I don't have time freedom before. Now I have time freedom, right? So ang dami po talagang blessings sa IMG, and nag-ripple po siya, hindi lang po sa akin, but pati po sa ating team, sa ating family. So yan po yung joy. So hindi po sapat na ako lang, dapat tayong lahat. So this is family business. This is my husband and my bunso, and this is my son. As early as 4 years old, shareholder na din po siya ng mutual fund, no? My daughter also, 4 months po siya nakapag-start, naka-trust fund po siya sa kanyang mutual fund din po na nilalagyan namin regularly. And ito, when we got awarded last year, 2 years ago, 1 million pa po yung goal nun, hanggang sa naging 10 million. Okay? And these are our direct mentors. For me, in my case, and this is, we are, they are mentors as well. So they are US certified financial educators. So makikita natin dito si Sir John. Sir John is based on Hong Kong. So siya yung speaker natin ngayon sa 9 p.m. class natin. So catch up po tayo. And of course, Miss Joanne and Sir Jess, sila pa talaga yung go-to ko dito kasi sila yung nandito sa Cebu. Alright, so under din po tayo sa kanila. I am so proud of their leadership. They really walk the talk. So, and they're very humble people. They're multimillionaires many times over, no, but they're very humble people. They help a lot of people also along the way na ma-lift din po yung status from kahirapan to you know, kaya nga tinawag siya na Prosper Pinoy yung team natin. So saludo po ako sa ating mentors talaga, and I'm forever grateful to them kasi hindi po natin mabibuild yung team natin din po kung wala po itong silang mentors natin. Investong mentors natin, sino ba? Si Brother Bo lang naman, si Sir Rex lang naman, si Fitz Villafuerte. Fitz is, grabe, idolo ko po kasi ito siya. I mean, idolo, but I'm a fan, I'm a follower of his blogs, no? Nung bago pa po ako sa IMG. So that kung nakita ko po siya sa IMG, kasi member din po siya, and SMD, nagpa-picture po talaga ako. Rex Mendoza, billionaire. Brother Bo, we know him, no? So sila lang naman yung mga investing mentors natin, at marami pang iba. So welcome, no? Congratulations. Ito yung verse na paborito din ng ating mentors that I'd like to share with you. Again, so for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Lahat po ng ginagawa ng IMG is for you to prosper yourself and your family. Okay, so napakaganda. Welcome po tayo ng ating mga big names dito sa IMG, right? So, ayan, and I'll leave you with a quote. Ito pala yung ating team picture noong last convention. I'm so happy kasi ang dami pong nakasama, kasi dati pag may convention siyempre sa labas ng country, yung iba hindi po nagre-risk talaga to attend and you know to let themselves grow in this business. So kasi it entails money, di ba? So natuwa ako kasi dito ang dami na pong nakapag-attend, nakapag-join, nakita na po yung bigger vision ni IMG. So I'm so proud of everyone who attended, who really made an effort to attend, and who are really doing the mission right now. So meron tayong from US, kahit iba-iba iba, no? From Dubai, from kahit saang sulok dito sa Pilipinas. So I'm so happy we're growing, and you know, I commit myself also to really help you to help this team be promoted, kasi yun lang naman yung way talaga na maangat lahat, no? If we commit ourselves to contribute to the higher goal of IMG, which is to achieve 30M by 2030. All right. So yan, and eto na yung paboritong quote ko by Brother Bo Sanchez. So hindi sapat na ako lang. Lahat tayo dito, ano? Success is when you achieve your goals, and significance is when you help other people achieve their goals. So yan, so let's help lahat po na ma-promote, all right? And that's why align yourselves lang to the meetings every day. So thank you again for attending, and let's proceed to our 9 p.m. class by Sir John Shu. Okay? Thank you and have a great day, everyone. See you sa meeting natin 7 p.m. tomorrow, daily meeting. Thank you and God bless.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because our mission to financially educate people is limitless. We keep no boundaries to share and spread our advocacy to the families who are in need.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was encouraged and motivated to help more families and prevent them from becoming a victim of a scam.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to teach my co-teachers the importance of saving money for their future and their retirement.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because this has inspired me to uplift the image of the teachers that we are not always a victim of loan sharks, but we can also be financially educated and become financial educators as well.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because it has taught me to build a solid financial foundation, which I can't wait to share with more families in the future.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to share the knowledge